So see, I've got one cut off, and I'm going to punch that one through, and then I'm going to take this and knock it sideways so I can cut that one off. As you see, this one's all done. Alright, so once you cut the bolt, you see how that bolt is stuck in there? It's just welded on a little nut. Just give it a good whack and it'll go up in there like that one. Watch this. It's not going to take much. There you go, it's gone. So this is the flag nut kit you get from eBay. As you can see, it's got two nuts welded onto here. You slide them into the little holes and then you can bolt your shocks up to the top. But this time we're going to put plenty of anti-seize so that we don't have this problem in the future. We're going to be installing these Gabriel Pro Guard from AutoZone. They were discontinued for $8, so let's hope they do okay. They're easy to change once you fix this issue. I'm going to try to fish these broken bolts out, so let's see. Go through here. Let's see. Did it come out? Nope. There's one. If I can get the other end of that one. There's the other one. Alright, what you do is you take this flag nut and you stick it in this hole, and then as you'll see, you can line up the bolts just like that for both of them. You see? That's it. Very simple. Put a liberal amount of anti-seize on your bolt. Okay, that works. See, now I can get to this one and cut through it with the Dremel tool. Whew, all right, you can see I got that one cut, and by the time you cut it, it's just sitting in there. So you just put it in there, and I'll get my magnet and pull them out. Let's try that. There it is. Gotta fish this up in there. And we'll see. That. And then you fish it till you can see the nuts. Very easy, just like that. There you go. The way I do it, I start one of those bolts and that kind of holds it in place. And then I will kind of do that and then do the other one. And then once you got it bolted up there, you can cut this wire here because it's gas charged, and then it will expand and then push it over that. And that's the finished product. Alright, I'm also going to change this muffler out. I cut it right here, that clamp. As you can see, this thing is in bad shape. I even cut the clamp right here. So I'm about to pull this whole thing out. Wow, here was the muffler. Look how bad. Let's see what it sounds like just with straight pipe. about the same.